Hello. There we go. Let's see. And yes, both are getting audio. Good morning, chat. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Sorry for the delay at the startup. Windows decided you want updates right now, don't you? Like, no choice in the matter. You're getting them. So that, yeah. Hey there, Ohujo. I'm doing pretty good. How are you? So, today we're getting into building out boss AI. And I still hate the fact that artificial intelligence and enemy AI use the same name. You're doing okay? Classes got canceled. Nice. So you don't regret playing Genshin all night? Extra nice. Let's do our startup. I'm slowly getting Phoebe to the point of doing actual damage. Slowly but surely. Right, it's Monday, so that means weekly. So what are you doing in Genshin that's taking you all night? Pushing Spiral Abyss, raising characters, trying to catch up on story. Because if it's catching up on story, I get it. That is an undertaking sometimes. Of the 3 gachas I've caught up on recently, meaning over the past month and a half, Wuwa was definitely the easiest. Started over. But doesn't this mean you're losing all your characters? Or were you like not that invested in free to play from the get-go? Hello there, lurker. But as far as getting pushed to go to new locations, that's gonna happen as soon as you reach certain adventure ranks, even with a new account. So you're gonna run into the same issue again. Okay, so you just want the exploration gameplay. Fair enough. That I can understand better. You know, since I was playing since launch, and I think I've missed a total of 5 dailies. Just period. I'm a shark lurker? How dare you not say my identity properly? Well, clearly you're not a lurker. Arr. You are obviously not lurking right now. And I still don't understand the etiquette for streamers when you have someone who joins chat and then says that they're lurking. That's just the most awkward thing for me, because lurkers, I'm of course not supposed to call you guys out. Like, if you guys want to lurk, that's great. I'm glad to have you here. If you guys want to chat, I'm also glad to have you here. But if you want to join and then in chat explicitly say lurk, what am I supposed to do? Do I say, have a happy lurk, Chompy? Maybe. Maybe that's the answer. Or maybe I'm supposed to say nothing. Maybe I just pretend I didn't see that. Ah, someone said lurk. I ignore it. Ignore it. Don't look. Don't look. Or maybe I'm supposed to say, good morning, lurker? So I address that you chatted, but didn't say your name, so I'm not calling. I don't know. This whole thing is so confusing. I think that was the purpose. But so many people do it, and I don't think that they're all just trying to confuse me. I don't like Chompy. Yes, I know he wants to confuse me because he's Chomp. Wow. Okay. Bro. Chat. Send help. All right, let's just not acknowledge that. Nope. Ignore my reaction. It didn't happen. Fantasy of the Thousand. What's this? Oh, is this just a new version of the Combat Whoozy? What's it? Oh. Oh, thank you for clipping the thing that we were totally ignoring. Especially being the lurker in here that doesn't want to be acknowledged or called out. Very sus shark over here. Very sus. What, he was just dying actively? You're not wrong. Either that or he was dying but was really non-committal about it. So we have a new failed at dying, continuously failing at dying. So is this just a new gameplay mode? Like, not an event, but we have a new way to get premium currency every single week, maybe? Super committed to trying. Agreed. What's this? Current Dreamscape Aid Resonator. Legions. One Dreamscape Aid Resonator to gain a 150% point bonus. All resonators in the team gain blah blah blah. Hitting target with basic attack grants 20 whatever energy. That can be triggered once every second. Resonant skills grant 50, healing a resonator for 50. 10-second cooldown, damaging target with spectre. Frazzle grants 30. Once every second. Enter some mode. Once you reach 500. Crit rate, energy regen is increased. Cooldown of skills and Resonance Liberation is reduced. Certain metaphors will be enhanced in this mode. Lucid Dream lasts for 2 seconds and depletes all dreams. That was a lot. Let's try it. See what happens. Oh, you are level 100s. Hello. Huh. Casting Info skills does first. Heavy attack hits on a Cyclone. Your Dream State. Eternal effect, increase HP, attack damage, crit damage. I think I want the Ice Burst. Oh. I'll take more attack, sure. Really don't understand what's happening. No. Oh dear. So am I winning? Am I losing? Okay, Cat, what do you got for me? Left supply multiple times when triggered. Damage dealt increase or greatly increase attack. Assuming I want damage. Memory of fierce struggle. Oh, this is. Oh. This is the mode that existed at launch. Wrong character. It's fine. Okay. Dealing damage increases the active of the attack and slightly reduces their max HP. Beating enemy restores strength state. I'll take that. Did not want this to be a super long game mode. Destroy the cars to obtain reward. Huh. Okay. Hitting enemy very slightly increases crit damage on the crit rate. Yeah. When in the lucid dream state, casting intro skill gives a buff. Don't care. State. Resonator deals damage, increase their attack by 15%, reduce keep that. Basic attack hits, restore Dreamscape. Ooh. How long is this thing? Haha, you missed. Oh, garbage. Get out of here, monkey man. What are rewards? What are the rewards for this game? Oh. Don't think this is anything I actually want. Yeah, no, I didn't want. Well, that's fun. Okay, at the end of this room, I've got to switch because I have no idea how long this will take. Okay. Sure. Ah, I can leave for now. But come on. Okay, one extra pull per week. Kind of cool. Podcast. Okay. Oh yeah, I haven't looked to see if there's new Godot stuff that I care about. Come on, you can do it. I promise you can. Okay, 4.3. What's the latest version? Okay, so 4.4 is still not out. That's cool. Put back there. Why is that icon no longer Godot? Let's see. So we got everything re-rendered and everything is re-imported. Yes. We got running. Walking. I don't have charge prep. Okay. Hey, Mr. Purple. What's the news? What am I doing? I'm building out this guy's behavior. Slowly but surely. Left. There we go. Now, oh boy. I never figured out the data structure for this, did I? That's the problem. Something like this is what I had planned. Kind of sound like my cousin. So your cousin also has an annoying voice. Got it. Well, I'm glad that my annoying voice is my cousin is one of those people that search for artifacts. Cousin's an archaeologist? Very cool. There was a time back in Memoria where I was going to be a physicist. And then I said, through that noise, what did he find? But oh, before you answer, if this is going to be a joke or a meme, just family-friendly channel. That's all I gotta say, family-friendly. But assuming it's family-friendly, go ahead. Would not believe the things that people randomly join the channel just shout out. Okay. How am I going to handle this? So I can have a list of states. A journal from 1688. Nice. Let's see, what was going on at that time? The 1600s timeline. Let's just see the greatest hits. Don Quixote was written. Nice. Galileo sees the moons of Jupiter through his telescope. Shakespeare died, very sad. Spanish Inquisition forces Galileo to recant his belief in Copernican model, or Copernican theory. Not familiar with, at least I don't recall the name Oliver Cromwell, so. English Parliament calls for the restoration of the monarchy. Isaac Newton says, hey, gravity. Plague of London. And French settlers in the bayou. Quite the year. Or century. Rather. Okay. So, I know roughly how I'm going to change states. I'm going to have a timer that says next state every so often. But how am I going to store those states in this array? Not much of a journal, it's more like an OC book. What? The concept of an OC doesn't make sense to me necessarily in the context of like a historical thing. Are we talking original character? Like a Sonic fanfic? Or are we talking just original content? Then someone was writing stuff? Help me out here. It talked about monsters which the writer made up. Oh. So it was a literary work. A work of fiction. That's fine. I don't know that I... It's weird to call that an OC. Like, whenever any author writes anything that's fictitious, is that an OC? Listen, man, I'm not the archaeologist here. I don't know the fancy terms or whatever. Also, I think I may have led you astray with the term archaeologist. Definition of artifact. Object produced or shaped by human craft of archaeological or historical interest. Okay, so I guess artifact is correct, but given the era that your cousin specializes in, I don't know that I was correct in calling him an archaeologist. I think just historian is probably accurate. Or archivist, if you prefer. So that typically denotes more of a desk job, not really associated with field work. Oh yeah, and the AIs we played with yesterday, none of them responded. Not one. But you know, if you're wanting me to start paying you for your AI, I want some guarantees that it's actually going to do something. And now we get to the troll. Bravo, bravo. You know what you did, don't even. Let's see. I wonder if Godot has something like an imp, or GD script specifically has something like an import. Okay. There's, I think, a good smattering of dates. And I'm thinking for Golem, we're going to have probably charge, range 1, AoE 1. That might be it. Here. If next state is array, dot any. Then self.state is yeah, you don't like that. Now, one option for this. Also, I have different AI based on the distance to the player. Do I want to commit to that? I could do a distance check when I'm trying to get the next state. And if If the player's too far away, force the state to charge. I think I'll keep it simpler for now. Most AI in games like this is very, very dumb. Let's study some examples. See what we can learn. So, where's the boss? Yeah, I can't see what the enemy's doing. This is kind of a problem for trying to study this. Can you guys figure out what the heck is happening? So, I believe these projectiles, and the swords, and the birds are all part of the player. So it looks like the boss is just not doing anything. Which that can't be true, right? So, enemies actually do stuff in this game, right? Other than just walk at the player. Like, it can't just be the case that all the enemies do the exact same thing, right? Uh, so, what's the challenge chat, am I just missing the boat here? It. Let's pick something else then. Soulstone Survivors. There's one I think I recognize. Yes, I do recognize. Don't think this is the game I was thinking of, but well, maybe it is. Okay, can we see a boss? Yes, here are bosses. You guys are not doing a whole lot. Okay, we got AoE telegraphs. And honestly, their telegraphs are basically what I'm wanting to create. Sometimes I forget how over the top the animations are in this stuff. Particle effects. This is a lot. That's just a large enemy that throws a projectile out. And this is... There's too much going on, I can't really understand it. Okay, here we go. There's a boss on screen. What's he doing? Okay, we got a laser attack. Then he immediately goes into... He died too fast. Well, that's not helpful. Alright, this is not working. Surely someone's written an article about this. Ways to structure enemy AI. As example, my Phantom AI has 3 states: patrol, seek, hunt. Patrol is for going around specific points. Seek is if the Phantom, for the Phantom to investigate. Stimuli received, check if the player is there or not. In case I keep track of where the stimulus originated and AI over while looking around. Finally, it finds the player, it enters the hunt state. Yeah, I've got that in the bag already. They have been working on some turn-based tactical games that take place on a grid, and I designed my AI by giving all possible actions. Attacks have the highest weights, moving closer to an opponent has the lowest weight. So then it evaluates all possible grid positions that it can select the one with. When it comes to designing new features, take those weights into account, and each AI unit will prioritize different actions. If there are injured allies, is there an injured ally nearby? Does the have a heal action? Is the unit's attack on cooldown? Their cover nearby? How much does the unit care about self-preservation? Then I add a little randomization, and so it doesn't always pick the best action. Sometimes it will pick the second, third, or 10th best action. Make something that follows a pattern the player can do something about, obviously. Really isn't what I'm asking about. I'm asking about data structures, guys. How to structure enemy AI in JavaScript. Yeah, there's nothing here about the actual structuring of states and patterning of states. Look for finite state machine. Yeah, no. Well, let's see what we got here. Stop it! Stop it, this is stupid. Give me what I'm asking for. This is ridiculous, guys. Oh. Hold on. There's kind of what I want to see. If current state is go back, move toward that at the chase speed. If distance to point less than chase speed. Meh. Yeah, you're really not telling me what I'm asking for. Like, I want to know how, in general, you guys like to handle state change. Orchestrating that. Everything has separate behavior, will need its own state machine. Typically, you need and want one per enemy. Easier, and that leverages what you want from state machine states. The reason is that they can go states games only if they idle and attack all. Question is, should I use one state machine to control all the enemies spawned, or for each enemy instance, give it own state machine? Okay. Apparently the answer is just do whatever you want. Got it. Ooh. That's not fantastic. Let me try this. That works. Okay. Bus base. That. Not helping me. We will have a charge. Range 1. AoE 1. Okay. See, for the charge state, I kind of want to mimic the jump state from slimes. These are very, very similar. Borderline identical. So I had 2 timers for it. One is the equivalent of our AI timer. The other is I'm charging up for my jump. Wait a little bit for that to happen. I'm not sure that I need the prep timer because I can get that from the telegraph. This is actually a not very simple set of actions. Okay, so let me just write down what's going through my head. So what is the order of things that needs to happen? First, get new state. Charge state. Then start looking around. What is look around? Play, charge, prep. Track player. Need rotations. Yep. Because I don't want it to just be able to go, like, I don't want it to just be static. Charge at the player, and that's it. I want it to actually track with the player until it's locked in. So there's actually a step here. Create telegraph. In it with length. Angle. Update telegraph. Now, do I want a state where if the golem hits some obstacle, he gets stunned? I will want a stun state at some point. And that could apply to any enemy. And I think it'll be good practice for me to implement that for the golem. But let's actually get there first. Call it 5 seconds. Not auto start. Actually, let's change that in boss base. I want to override. Actually, This state is spawn. Go into the base state. I don't always want to call super, do I? Yeah, this code right here is super messy, so I prefer to not replicate that. Match self dots. Where did my function? That's good enough, I guess. Not really the one I was looking for, though. Where are you? There you are. This is what I'm kind of wanting to replicate. State. Okay. Why is that not auto? Now it is. Of course it is. As soon as we finish spawn state, I need okay. We finish the spawn state, start at the AI timer. So he spawns and he starts walking at the player. I wonder, is there a way to change the wait time once? Because I'd like the wait time after the spawn to be shorter than the normal wait time. Let's talk. Read only. Okay. Do this. Add timer. This one will be called AI Startup. Timeout. No, that's not right. All that needs to do is next state. And this is going to do the same thing. I'm going to call it AI wait timeout. Oh. I don't need this function, do I? Nope. The function's pointless. Okay. Finish spawning. Instead of AI timer. AI startup. I might want to rename that to AI wait. Call it delay. I think that makes more sense. Now, a startup, let's call it 2 seconds. For one shots. If self.state is boss state death. Don't do anything if we're in the death state. Are there any other states that I need to say, sorry, no new state for you right now? I want that because I'm going to use it for 2 different situations. Excuse me. Alternatively, I just use one timer and set this all in functions. That'll be cleaner. That'll be much cleaner. Instead of this, self dot play AI play AI short Shouldn't even name it like that. Our short delay is play. And I'll fine tune it. Delay dot wait time is okay. Delay dot start. That's what I want. Okay. Now we get into okay. What's the order of operations here? Start on the spawn state. The animation plays. That's probably a better choice. Spawn. Short delay while we're just walking. We hit the next state, which is going to be charge. So I need to get to charge prep. How did I do that before with... I had idle state. That's what I was utilizing. Boss, I need to expand this. I could have 2 dictionary. Not an. It's not a terrible idea. There's clearly a lot of thinking through this that I haven't done yet. Let's genericize this a bit more. Okay. I think I've got an idea here. What if I have a list of functions, just general functions for controlling movement, that don't exist within the boss classes? And in boss base, what I do is I have a bunch of empty functions. I think this can work. If or match self state state so weird how this works. This also means I could add interesting. Here's what we're gonna do. This guy's going away. I don't want this script anymore. That also means my validate needs to go away. Yeah, so I'm just going to provide the states as a blanket thing for all enemies, boss or regular. And there's already some states that some enemies don't use, which is fine. That was weird. Resort. You are boss, you go away. Now util validate states. You are no longer required. Thank you for your service. I'll keep this structure just in case there's stuff I want to validate later. I think this is a good idea. Oh. Okay. Good. Now. I think I just do this. If I recall correctly, that's how you do default state. Nope. Pretty sure that's right though. Script match. Show me a quick example, that's all I need. So that is right. Now, down here, bump. Good. I don't think that's what I want these functions though. How do I do this without repeating myself? Yeah, I think I'll just have to repeat myself. The only way I could make that a little nicer is have a function that all it does is set me back to the chase state. Okay. This was a better way to do it before. Yeah, this is how I should have structured enemy base to begin with. Do I go consolidate? I don't know. Maybe not. Because the stuff that's in enemy base, with the exception of jump, is all required. I think I should just shove this whole blargity blarg into enemy base. Because this could just as easily be used for non-bosses. Okay. I will this. If we hit a state that's not accounted for, go back to chase state. That's fine. Good. Call it modular AI. This will be a library. Last name. However, if I'm structuring it like this, can I use self? I can if I pass it in as a parameter. That's what I've got to do. But I can't pass it in as a parameter, the way I've structured this right now. Huh. Interesting. So what I had planned, font, sample font, delta, is something like this. Then over in the Slam Golem script, I ignore that. There we go. There we go. Now you should. Then over here, do something like self dot pack1 equal to, save that. No, it would help if I didn't make it private. What do you mean? Can't find that member. Right there. That's it. That doesn't make. There we go. So what I had planned, something like this. Cannot assign a new value to a constant. Functions are considered constants, right? Okay, so that's two reasons this wouldn't have worked. Got it. was not aware that functions could be considered constant. Interesting. Okay. In either case, that doesn't work for us. Instead, do this. I can have a template here. And when I want to override something, this. Since I know I'm going to be using prep 1, go ahead and just start there. And so I just have this chunk that I paste into every boss. What I should be doing is commenting all these out until I'm ready to override them. This is better. I like this. Then these functions are just going to be statics that I pass in any and all parameters I want to, including self. They operate however I need them to. This works. Cool. But I'm gonna take a break. My brain's already hurting from trying to figure all that out. I guess not just trying, but figuring that out. Hey chat, you got any preferences? A game you'd like to see today? Let me see. Speak now or forever hold your peace, chat. Okay. Then I'll do some Dark Souls 3. I wonder if it's a normal approach, what I've done with state changes, where most of my updates are driven by when an animation ends. I wonder if that's normal. Ah, yes. The handsome beast that is Dum Dum. See, dilapidated bridge. So I could go fight the big tree, or we can progress on Road of Sacrifice. I think it's Road of Sacrifices. Man. One thing I did not expect to miss in having my own company is meetings. Oddly, I miss having some meetings to break up my day. And I use the break games to do that now. But how weird is that I'm like, I wish I could have some meetings. And I've worked in environments where the meetings are excessive, and obviously that's not great. That's a problem. But having no meetings, there's just nothing to interrupt anything. And depending on what kind of thinker you are, that can be good or that can be bad. In my case, I need something to break up my day sometimes. Now, there are days where I just want to be head down, get everything solved. Something required ahead. You're a liar. Death ahead. Okay, these guys are annoying and tricky. They... Oh. Never mind. Maybe I don't have as much damage normally when I come here. Alright. Dark Souls, please. Calm yourself. Nope, not that way yet. Because there's a little secret here. Just in case. I don't think I need it for this drop, but... Oh, I did need it for that drop. Woo! Oh, that's the daggers! Oh my goodness. Chat, we have them. Oh, I was trying to dodge with Neo controls. Mildred? You seem a lot weaker playthrough. I don't remember what her name is, but she's Mildred right now. I thought you might be real. And that just circles back. No. Ooh. That was close. Hello, scary pregnant doggo. Trail Divine Tome. Nice. Horns Ring. Not going to be useful for Dum Dum. But in theory, those are great. Oh, Henri. Get all your dialogue done. Hello, horse. Yay, blue sentinels. Which, no. For our appearance, blue sentinels would make a lot of sense. Self-warrior of... Did I have that already? I don't think I should. Oh well. The... Yes, we can equip these. Beautiful. Now we're an edgy boy. And no more shielding. Ever. But I now have this. Which is fantastic. Hello. Is Murder Man back? I don't think he's back yet. Oh, Murder Man is back. Excellent. Hello, Yol of Londor. Huh? I haven't died enough, apparently. Be safe. So he's sad about his friend. Okay. Where can I grab some Titanite shards? Might be able to buy them. Nope. Titanite shards yet. Oh, wait. He might have some if I can get him to stop crying. Man, that is about the least sensitive way I could have put that. I think I might need to kill a boss for him to stop crying, though. Let's ask the internet where I can get Titanite shards. Pretty sure there's an early enemy that can drop them. Dropped by Evangelist? That? Oh. Scary monster. Oh, I can also get them from these big guys. Okay. I assume I can't get Titanite chunk yet, though. Oh! Oh, I can buy them. I'm just an idiot. Right? No. Oh, I don't have the Dream Chaser's ashes yet. That comes from somewhere else. Never mind. And Servant. Struck by... Oh, just most hollows. Oh. So it's just a rare drop. A Grave Warden's Ashes. That's not until much later, right? Yeah, Catacombs of Karthus. Dream Chaser is... Yeah. We're actually getting close to where the Dream Chasers one is. Oh, well. I should at least infuse these. I thought I had a shark. I could have sworn that. Can he not infuse shark from the get-go? He can't infuse sharp yet. Interesting. Which case, guess I'll infuse. So what I've got right now is 107. Can be brought up to 150. Not a huge difference, but I'll take it. When can I use sharp? A question for another time. I thought these daggers came quite a bit later. In any case, try to get to the next bonfire. Haha. Less haha. Oh. Actually, I should just try to backstab these. Daggers are particularly good at that. Aha! Well, here's the Titanite shard I wanted. Hello. Just pretend that was logical. Oh, oh, oh no. Uh-oh. Hmm. Okay, next bonfire is nearby. What? But I'm not gonna rest because I don't want all that to respawn yet. Should be another dog chasing me, I think. Where's the other dog? Oh, definitely have all the Titanite shard I need for now. Or at least for that upgrade. Don't think I have anything for curing poison yet. No. And I guess I'll just design the function here and then move it over to modular AI when the time comes. Func prep with moving linear telegraph. Go ahead and make it static so it behaves the same way. What all does it need? I need enemy base. Your telegraph, how do you work? Instead of doing end position, maybe I do want to that. Do I want telegraph to follow the play? Well, need to think about that. I want to get an animation rendering as well. Nope, not that one. Nope. Okay, those are the same thing. Here's a thought. Do I actually want to recreate the telegraph each time? Or do I just hide it when I'm not using it? Well, at least this I can get rendering. Guess let me just double check. Hmm. Start. I think instead, change init to take in length and angle. Or better yet, direction. Float. Instead of this, start an end position. And I don't even think I want to do an init. Is there something like self.ready? Ready signal. How to tell if a node is ready. If it's ready function has been called. Oh, thank you. Not Kubernetes nodes. Because I don't think I can set position before ready is. Guess I could test it. Enemy spawner. Does this barf on me? Seem to be complaining. There. Now you won't complain at me. Done. God. I hate that I just did that. But it's gonna mess up things if I don't. Use, that's fine. Hey there, Ruby Gamer. I am making a game. At the moment, I'm clearing up some of these warnings. It isn't a huge deal. But today's whole goal is planning out how to structure some enemy AI. What type of game? Vampire Survivors with total persistence. Or close to total persistence. I don't want resetting in between matches. Or you can think of it as a super simplified action RPG, where you just are thrown into an arena, you fight monsters, gain experience, level up. Very, very pared down. I just want it to be some fun fighting and leveling. With a lot more build planning than a typical Survivors game. And at some point, I'll implement the ability to unlock new classes. But right now, I'm just figuring out enemy AI. Why is Vampire Survivors so popular? I think because it distills down the ARPG genre to the core fun aspect, which is the combat, it adds in randomness to create excitement. And of course, there's the factor of just the dopamine hit of you open a treasure chest and gold flies everywhere, and I'm happy. But for whatever reason, there's not been a game that I've been able to find that distills down the action RPG genre without also having your progress reset every, 10 minutes. I'm not big on losing progress. Okay, that'll make that quiet. And this is what I'm actively working on. Is Godot the only engine you know? Pretty much. I know a minuscule amount about Unreal Engine. And that's almost exclusively knowledge about how to export models so I can use them in Blender. Yep, when I started this journey, I did a whole bunch of research about various engines, and Godot is what I settled on. And it's pretty good so far. I don't run into a ton of issues. Now, there's a few things here and there that I think need to be better explained. I have a few qualms with the development team for the Godot engine, but all in all, I think it's a good engine. I need... What do I need? You've done Unity, but mostly do custom? Cool. Yeah, I didn't much see the point in making a custom engine. Considering, like, my goal is to make money with my game. But if you just enjoy making engines, good on you. That is how we get newer and better engines. How do I want this to work? with moving linear telegraph. Law space I need to add in. I don't know what this should be, so let's call it something like 20 for now. No, it shouldn't be. Hold on. Okay. That times the speed is how much rotation I can get per tick. So I want at most 180 within 1 second. So I want pi in 1 second. Oh, so I just want pi here. Damn the maths. I get that, but we've done a ton of math for getting various behaviors I want in this game. One that I'm pretty proud of is the knockback that I use. Here, I'll show you real quick. Whenever an enemy hits me, I get that little knockback. It's fast, but the motion behind it is fairly complex. It's just less noticeable because of how... Huh. Well, I broke something. Interesting. I really broke something. Huh. Alright. I'll let you know what broke when I figure that out myself. Okay, enemy base. What's happening to the states is the question. So, state set. What's wrong with that? Oh. Huh. Okay. What happened? It's toggling between 10 and 3. Oh. 10 is death. freeze Chase. You love print debugging? One of the best ways. So it's supposed to be dying, but it does something else. What all changed in this code today? Not much. Oh. I did add this default. Oh. Oh, I did a dumb. Ooh, I did a dumb, I did. Hold up. Let me replicate the order from here. Spawn, idle, watch, chase, wonder. Spawn, idle, watch, chase. Wonder. Okay. Okay. We're in the wonder state. Do wonder. Jump, run, death, stun. Jump, run. There's the problem. Death is going to do nothing. No need to give it Delta. And probably the same for stun, to be honest. And just in case, I'll leave it there. Okay, that should fix the problem. But, per usual, we'll see. What do you mean? Chad, I don't understand. How can that not exist? It's there. I mean, I know how to make the game start running again. The issue is that this shouldn't be erroring. It's saying that this is null. Or that I have a null pointer. Saying line is not found in the scene tree, except it has to be. Probably also worth changing this a tad. Yeah, I know you're not happy with what I just did. I'll fix it. I promise. Oh, yeah, it doesn't let you change this. Does it? Okay, I just put dot dot colon. Okay. Got it, got it, got it. There we go. This won't actually fix the problem, but will make my code cleaner. Okay, you're happy now. Let's patch script. Detach. This guy goes away. That then just has to be self of that. In case, let me put the way I'm going to be controlling this now. I don't actually want to play that. It was only there before for demoing purposes. Come on. Start spawning faster. No, that was just on me. That's on me. Object of type. What do you mean? Didn't think I was assigning it to a node thing of type node B. What does it think is a node 2D right now? It's acting like this line is a node 2D. Weird. I see something. Oh. Is that script attached to something else? No, no, no. So it's actually showing me where the line is that it's breaking. And it's breaking in linear telegraph. And now it's fine. Oh, this was the stupid caching thing that Godot does. I'll explain in a second after we see this work. How to downset. I respectfully disagree. Okay. Or anything else. Saw space. Your telegraph. Away. Okay. Slime Golem. Let's just show you guys what it's supposed to be doing. And it's just getting interrupted is the problem. Oh yeah. I forgot that I added this and haven't finished it yet. Ah! Failed access property card. Oops. And that should just force him back into the chase state. Now it should show you guys what it's supposed to do. But there's a lot of shoulds in there. There we go. So nice of you to join us. But why are you running into the wall, sir? Not correct. Still stuck? Yeah, not sure why that happened. It's probably because of some of the silliness I'm doing with State Machine right now. But what I was trying to show you there also is when the character gets knocked back, there's a non-trivial pattern, like path that the character goes on. And entities, player, collision or hurt box with damage knockback. That's what I want to see. So this guy is where the magic happens for knockback. And this is the equation of motion for it. Or part of it anyway. Here's the rest of it. So this is calculation of the speed. And then finally using the position to calculate how high the sprite should appear. Oh! Something just occurred to me. Because of how I'm doing this, oh no! Because of how I'm doing this, and how I'm doing jump for slimes, another bee sting. Yeah, it's not going to work with the new shadows, because the new shadows are part of the sprite. I guess I could just say for non-bosses, don't do the fancy shadows. So that kind of eliminates a lot of the progress there. Or is it a problem? Yeah, it is. Okay, so there was a problem I ran into with trying to do separate shadow and sprite. What was that? What was the problem? Problem with that was I couldn't get consistent positioning. Okay. Alright, my dude. You do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna probably end stream any minute now because I think I need to just sleep on this topic. Solution will come to you in a dream. Honestly, that happens more than you'd think. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's end stream, because if I don't end stream right now, the rest of stream is gonna be me sitting here thinking, not talking, just sitting here going, think. That's all it's gonna be. All right, let's end the stream there. All right, so everybody, thank you so much for joining. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. If you did, please check out my Ko-fi page, link in the description. There you can help support the channel, and when you do, you'll get access to some dev tools. Didn't show any of those off today, but you'll see them in a lot of my streams. And roles in the Discord to request new features, apps, and all that fun stuff. Above all, though, hope y'all have a fantastic day. Take care, everyone.